I'm standing on the bed surface of a fairly large hard slab avalanche which was triggered over the holiday weekend. It's the 4th of December. I'm at about 8,700 feet on a slope that's facing northeast. Looks like this avalanche was probably triggered yesterday, perhaps late in the day on Saturday. Probably a pretty scary story. I'd love to hear the details at some point, if you get around to it. Fits into the category of one of the many triggered avalanches which have occurred over the last few days and weeks in the Logan area.